In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Claude to create carousel posts for Instagram and LinkedIn.
As a realtor,
If this is your first time here, my name is Zhang. You can get access to my AI playbook prompts using the link down below by signing up to the newsletter. First, let's talk about why we want to start posting carousel posts on Instagram and LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, carousel posts get 3 times the reach versus plain text posts. If you're a realtor and you're not posting on LinkedIn, this is one of the most underutilized platforms out there. And second, on Instagram, carousel posts has one of the highest engagements right on top of Reel. Even this performs sometimes even better than videos. And you want to do that so that your account gets more exposure and you can get more clients. Let's dive into the demo and I'm going to show you the system that I built to create Instagram carousel posts using my Claude system. I mentioned this in previous video. This is my real estate AI operating system. Right here, it has different skill sets that I created to help me run my real estate business. In fact, after I started using this real estate operating system that I built on Claude, I've since closed 7 deals because of the workflow. So I'm just going to ask my AI operating system to create a carousel post for my AI for Realtor Instagram and YouTube channel explaining why carousel posts are important for Instagram and LinkedIn. Now, what's happening in the background is going to use the carousel creator skill that I created, which by the way, if you want to learn how to build your own real estate AI operating system, I am launching 3-week live cohort walking you through step by step what you need to do and what workflow to implement in order to give you the maximum leverage and start getting more clients and closing more deals. You can sign up to the waitlist using the link down below to the real estate AI operating system cohort. Here is the first draft of the carousel post. You will have a hero post, which is the cover image of the post. You'll cover some stats, some body, CTA. This seems like a really good plan, and let's continue. I'm going to explain the system a little bit so that you understand what is happening in the background. Right now, the system uses Higgsfield. So Higgsfield is a platform that I personally use to create videos and images. And on it, we use different image models. I connected Higgsfield via the MCP. I know this sounds a little bit more technical, but stick with me a little bit. Basically, what happens in the background is that my AI agent is communicating with this platform to create these images as the cover photo. And one of the benefits of doing that, we can create shockingly surprising, eye-catching cover photos. Think about having a statue holding the Claude icon. That will stop the scroll. And the system behind how we generate the cover photo, I actually took screenshots of different cover photos for popular Instagram carousel posts. I come to Canva and I select some of the templates, type in Instagram post. And if I see a post that I just love the vibe, I just love this cover photo, I'll take a screenshot and then I'll add it to my reference file folder. So now you can see I will have things like this, different types of cover photo that I think will do well with my audience. This is how I start creating my own design system. This is what you got to do. You need to provide context to your real estate AI operating system so that it learns about what is good, what is going to work for your audience. And one of the most amazing things, once you get this system set up, this skill will go over the post that you created before and learn which ones did well so that in the future, this thing will run automatically, creating carousel posts that is going to generate a lot of context and engagement and give you more leads. This is why it's so important that you start implementing your own real estate AI operating system that is going to learn from all of the data that you're going to provide. And if you want to join me in this 3-week live session of building your own real estate AI operating system, use the link down below and sign up for the waitlist now. Now we actually finished building the carousel post. We're going to take a look at it together so that we know what it looks like. I don't hate this cover photo, basically explaining why it's good to create carousel posts. 3 times the reach of plain posts, great. The algorithm watches how long you stay. That's great. You can also adjust the headline right here. Pretty neat skill, huh? Missed the first card. IG tries again. If the viewer skips card number 1, Instagram will reserve the post with a later card, which is very common. Instagram actually serves carousel posts multiple times so that you have more opportunities for engagement. And here are the 2 skills that kills carousel posts is that you don't have a design system. That means that every post looks like a different brand. Every post is identical. You have to set up the system correctly. You have to have the right reference file. I'm going to go over all of that in the live cohort if you are interested. And you have to have consistency underneath and variation on top. And then finally, I love the final post. Want my carousel system? Come and carousel and I'll send you the template that I use. I don't know about this CTA. It's like blue and blue. I think we can change the color a little bit, but first let's change this one a bit more. So I told my system to change the cover photo more and be more eye-catching and scroll stopping. It's gonna try to be more bold and more dynamic and then come up with different variations. And by the way, another way to find really good cover photos is just to go to Instagram and start taking a look at what are some of the most popular carousel posts. And by the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my handle is William Zhang 2.0. Find me and follow me. Let's take a look at some of the good carousel posts. This one is okay, got 54 views. I don't really like this one. Let's scroll something. This one seems pretty good. A portrait of yourself with the text right here. A dark gradient. I don't really like that one. This one could work, but it seems a little crowded. Oh, this is a really good one. So this is just a good way to start collecting reference images and put this in your reference folder so that you can create more engaging carousel posts. And now let's go over all the cover photos together and see which one is the best. This is the second one. Don't really like this one. Third one. Oh, this one looks really good. So you can see benefit of having an AI agent, an AI operating system. You will create very engaging Instagram carousel posts, adds variety with just simply natural language by typing in English. Imagine you have to do this manually. You have to spend an hour or 2 hours just to get these Photoshop done. Now you can do so by just prompting the AI operating system. Now let's take a look at the updated version of the post. So we decided to use this one. I actually don't mind it. And that is how you create carousel posts for both Instagram and LinkedIn using the Real Estate AI operating system. And if you want to join me for the live cohort where you build your own Real Estate AI operating system in a 3-week live session, use the waitlist link down below so that you'll get notified when we launch it in July. And check out some of these previous videos on how I'm using Claude as a real estate agent to get more deals.